Hey traders, bit of a silver and gold update, or I've got something I want to talk to you about when it comes to silver and gold. So let's get straight into it. Guys, did I place a trade based on what you see in this video? Trading is risky and it can cause massive losses. There's no guarantees of making money in the markets. This is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Guys, first thing in the description, grab your free 10-hour trading course, I think it is, to help you become a much better trader in the markets. Anyway, one thing I want to talk about here in this markets, guys, is this. Is right now there is this thing out there, okay? I just saw a comment just recently and they said to me, I've actually seen a lot of comments actually. The comment that I saw recently was that I've just sold my cryptos. Firstly, why did you wait for the crypto market to crash and go down and down and down and down, down 30, 40, 50% to sell that to buy silver and gold? So what he said, what he said is that he sold cryptos recently after they've been getting hammered about 40% on the downside, 30 to 40%. That's actually not from the highs. That's just from the recent down move. So why did you hold on for that long? Like, why didn't you sell cryptos? You know, are you one of these hodlers as well too, right? Were you one of the people that, you know, cryptos is definitely gonna rise, and then after a while, I think, man, this thing's never gonna rise. So, and so now you got out of that and you got into gold and silver. Also, what a lot of people think as well too, that is that when the market starts to turn over and we start to go through a lot more of a downturn. By the way, we have started the downturn and it's going to continue. Doesn't mean straight down, but we are over the next 12 months to 2 years, we're going to see a nice gradual stair-stepping down movement. Doesn't mean every day. We might get a few weeks to a month on the downside, and then we may get another few weeks to a month on a pullback. Stair-stepping down, okay? That's what the crash is all about. It's never straight down. But a lot of people think that, oh, well, if I get out of the stock market right now and I buy silver and gold, then that's going to be the best thing for me to do. If you actually go look at what actually happened, let me actually do this here right now. I'm going to blow this up. Let me go to my GLD chart here for a minute. All right, and I'm going to share this. Let's bring up GLD. I'm going to go to my monthly chart. And I want to share something with you guys, okay? Just bear in mind this, okay, for a minute. Bear in mind. A lot of people think, well, I'm going to get into gold right now. Why? Because it's a safe haven, and when the market crashes, then it's going to be whatever, right? Look at this beautiful long-term trend line there right now as well, too. Right? So it's going to be the safe haven. It's going to be the best thing to do. It's going to be the best thing to get into, and so on and so forth, right? But one thing I want to share with you is, remember, when we initially get a pullback in the markets, both stock markets and silver and gold can pull back. Look at this here. Right? I want to share something with you here, right? Look at this here. Look at this. What is this here? This is the top in 2008, and what ended up happening with gold? It actually went down, and we had at that time we had a 30% pullback in gold. So as I'm saying here right now, if you think trading, it's like stop trading what you think and only trade what you see. Right now, it's very weak in the metals. We're likely to see a lot more downside in the metals. So if you are thinking that I'm going to get out of the stock market, or I'm going to get out of crypto to buy silver and gold right now because that's when everything continues to fall down. By the way, why did you wait to get out of crypto? Do you know what I'm saying there? Like, bear in mind, you do realize that everything can initially pull back. So as the stock market's pulling back, so can silver and gold. Why? Well, that's obviously a deflationary phrase. But if the dollar is getting stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger, as this market's going down, guess what? That's going to put a weight on silver and gold as well too. So right now, the market's very, very weak. Now, long term, yes, over the next 2 to 4 years, I do believe we're likely to see some sort of bottom action in gold and silver, and then we're likely to see a rise. That's going to correlate with, obviously, the next commodity boom, but it's going to correlate with what's actually happening with the dollar as well too. But right now, the dollar is strong, and who says we can't go through the next downturn, or as we continue this downturn right now in the stock market, that both silver and gold in the stock market can go down together. So be smart about things. Don't just try to buy the bottoms in everything. Like, please guys, be smarter than that. The market is think about the market as a river. It's a stream, right? The market is a stream. It's a river. And guess what? when the stream and the river and all that sort of stuff happens, guess what? You can either go with the stream and enjoy a nice ride, or you can fight the stream and try to pick a bottom. Every single time I see these people trying to pick bottoms, trying to get into the silver and gold right now because they think it's the bottom in the markets. Please, guys, be smarter than that in the markets. Respect the markets. You're not smarter than the markets. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.